Hey guys, welcome back to Hello Beauty. Today I'm going to show you some awesome products from MiaBeauty.com. And please go check out MiaBeauty.com and buy some of their awesome products. Today I'm going to be talking about hair beads. Hair beads comes with a threading tool and the beads. The bead colors are hot pink, light pink, white, clear, and purple. What you have to do is you just have to put a bead in, and then you put a thin piece of your hair through, then you pull it through, then you take your hair out. I recommend to do four at a time, or you can do 5, but if you go past 5, it's harder. Hair beads, they come with 200 pieces. And hair beads are good for, they're a good activity for a sleepover or parties. And it's a great activity. And you can also use them for bracelets and necklaces. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.